hear the voices from long ago, whispers carried in my soul. Your struggles shape the life I know, but now it's time to let it go. Wounds unspoken, pain unseen, passed down like roots in the family tree. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Ancestors rest easy, the healing flows through. I break the chain gently and start life anew. I see the child inside of me, carrying burdens silently. But now I speak, now I breathe, the cycle ends and I am free. I call the light to wash the pain, to cleanse the shame that still remains. From heart to heart, from soul to soul, I honor you, I make us whole. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. To all who came before me, this song is for you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I heal the bloodline and walk in truth. I am the healing, I am the peace, I am the one who sets us free. With every word, with every breath, love is born from what was left.